Okay, guys, Dr. Phil. So, mastering should 100% be up. The issue was it would not sync with Blackboard for some reason. So I could have fixed that today, but if I'd done that, then whoever had registered already for mastering would have to re-register through Blackboard. Would have been a better scenario because they're seamless. They'll go in together, but it doesn't matter. I can manually move the grades from mastering into Blackboard. But here's the thing, mastering is going to be practice for you guys. You don't have to do them. You're crazy not to. It's a great resource, and literally all of your questions and most of your lab questions and everything's going to come from the mastering interactive stuff anyway. So I downloaded a bunch of things in there, some practice homeworks with labeling, body orientation, vocabulary, a lot of things is going to be in there. So I'm going to do this Zoom meeting for lecture and lab. So whether you're in one or both, your mastering access code will work for both courses. You do not have to buy it again. So if you're not in my lecture, unfortunately for you, the lab access code will work. So if you got mastering with a different instructor for lecture, that same mastering code will work in BI 151. And I uploaded under course information and lessons the actual steps to do it. So just register for mastering for that course. In mastering, I will deal with all of the Blackboard information. As far as lab, I put the syllabus up. I think I think it's 12 or 13 labs, manual labs. Will be 50% of your grade, 50% will be your midterm and final. And as far as labs, I literally just need you to scan whatever I put out there, scan it back into the Dropbox. So I literally have a copy of something that you've submitted. So if you ever get audited by another school, and they're probably going to do it more often now because of online learning, if you get audited, I can go into your Dropbox and literally pull those assignments and say, listen, this is what the student submitted. So and you have proof. And in mastering, there's going to be a bunch of dissections, cats and stuff, and musculature. It's all there animated. There's animation, so it's a really, really good resource. I'm super excited that we're going to roll out with this semester, especially since there's nothing in person. So please also, I've only had 2 students get back to me as far as a Zoom meeting. So I can do them and record them, but if you're not able to do it, or you don't want to come in and, if you're don't want to do the Zoom meetings, you don't have to, but it's a great chance to ask any questions that don't make sense to you, especially with the mastering or some of the PowerPoints or something in your book. And hopefully I'll have the answer. There are some things in Pearson that I don't exactly know why they present it that way. And Dr. Redford and I have found several small errors in the book, and especially the lab book they used to put out. We have written the publisher, but whatever, that's inconsequential. So please get into mastering as soon as you can. Once again, under course information and lecture and lab, and I'm pretty sure in lecture I may put under lessons, but I know I put it in lab under lessons also, so you can't miss it. Go in and register. If you don't have the money right now, I understand you get a 14-day free trial. All right, so at least jump in on that. Get your feet wet with mastering. I know it's actually week 2, but with online, we have a little bit of playroom as far as you guys will have 7 days to do stuff, and everything will be asynchronistic. I'm going to try to give you a week timeline to do it. So if you want to do it 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 6 a.m., whenever, 4 p.m., whenever, you can do it whenever you want. So please do that, and you guys can really maybe give me a time for Zoom, or like I said, I'll just do it randomly whenever, and then I'll just post them. All right. So I just kind of want to go over the PowerPoints and what I'm expecting as far as the tests. So any questions, give me a call. I really am sorry for the delay. I really emailed the rep and I said, I'm at my wit's end. I just can't take it. So she was gracious enough to go and Zoom with me and literally take over my computer screen and show me what to do. And there was a couple of glitches with my username and I had 2 accounts and it was just a big disaster, but it is all straightened out. All right, guys, start studying. All right, bye.